Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with ZTE Blade A53 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, let's go for our settings. Make sure you're on top of the page and click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. This should make a screenshot. You can select the scroll feature. Let's try it again. Scroll capture. Now it should begin scrolling down the entire page, and when it's done, you will have the full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.